That's enough to probably make a grown man cry.
Now, like you said, what, coming from Texas?
San Antonio, Texas, yes.
Okay. Alright, headaches, how often?
Maybe like once or twice a week, maybe.
Okay. So once or twice a week, then upper back, middle back, lower back, hip, sciatica. And I see a police officer, so I can only imagine.
And paramilitary.
Yeah, and
So
how long?
Infantry, 3 years.
3 years infantry. So you did your body in pretty good.
Oh yeah. Well, growing up too, I've never been an indoor person. I'm like, cause like this generation are all about electronics and I was always outside, jumping fences, so.
Any like crazy traumas, accidents, anything that?
I was involved in a vehicle accident and they did a scan on my back. I just didn't put it because I didn't know the dates and times that you needed.
No,
but they said I had like 2 bulges in my lower.
Okay.
And herniated disc in my neck.
Okay.
But it was like low form because I've been through, I guess, treatment and they still pop my neck and all that.
Okay.
The chiropractors over there in San Antonio, I'm not dogging them, but man, they're just real, 1 or 2 things and all right, you're fixed. And I'm like, no. But I've been following you for 2 years, so.
Have you? Okay.
And the moment like this stuff started just getting worse and just started stiffening up and locking up, because I even had some of my big friends, muscular friends, try to like pop my back and they just can't do it. So I'm like, I feel like I'm stuck. My spine is just stuck. Like I know I just need a good little release.
I gotcha.
So
I'll get you with that.
Oh, I know. That's why I drove all the way over here.
But then at least a good thing is, granted, because I used to live in Houston, or at Woodlands, so just north of Houston. How far is San Antonio to like Houston area?
3 hours.
Is it? Okay.
Yes, it's 3 hours. And then the Dallas is 5 hours.
Okay, yeah, now, okay. Took me, I had to remember exactly where you're at. Yeah, I got a doc out in Houston for you, if you...
Oh, do you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
He'll rock your world just like me.
Yeah. Well, I specifically made sure I came to you because you're the one I was always following, so I want this guy right here.
Yeah.
How do you pronounce your last name? Because they were actually asking, my mother-in-law and her mom was asking.
Cipriano.
Yep. Gotcha. I think I was calling you like Leonardo DiCaprio or something like that. So I said, I don't want to pronounce it. I think I'm getting it wrong. Cipriano. Got you.
Let me have you go face down on the table for me.
Lane, face down. Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
Right?
Because my girl, she bought one and I think it's troubles.
Yeah, no, this is even on one of the lower settings too. It gets too high where I won't even turn it up. Go a little bit lower here. There it was. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table, and then bring one leg on each side. Bring this leg over to there.
Okay.
Yep.
See how it's like real stuck.
Yeah. Good. It's moving, but it's tight.
Yeah. And then when you did the bottom, like man, I felt like all my air went out. Like breathing. I was like,
You can relax your arms.
okay.
Alright, so this is the fun part for me, and you're gonna hate me now.
It's all right, brother. That's why I came here.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do some soft tissue work up here.
All right. That's enough to probably make a grown man cry.
Alright, one side down, one side to go.
Ooh, man. And let me tell you, that's really painful. Damn. Tell me you had somebody cry out this.
Yeah, that guy's rough.
I'm just trying to be like real mellow, just let you do your thing. And
Gets everybody sweating on that one.
yeah, I know. I already felt like I was like, man, I already stink, man. Man.
Go face down again.
Face down.
Yep. Good, legs are balanced now. Flip onto your back.
Man.
Felt that up in the hips and
Oh yeah.
yeah. No, come down.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You good, you good.
Oh man. That's the money maker right there.
Rest. What did you feel?
I felt like a decompression from my lower back all the way to my neck.
Good.
Is that what you heard? I heard it all cracking.
You ever had that done before?
And that's why I came over here, because I've been sleeping all at night.
Oh, really?
Yeah. My girl will tell you I toss and turn all the time. My lower back, mid back.
It's terrible when you can't sleep and then you wake up and you're...
Especially if you wait too long to come and get all this stuff done.
Yep. Yep, tonight's gonna be different though.
Oh, I appreciate you, brother. Trust me.
You're gonna crash. You're gonna sleep good tonight. Come on up. I got you.
Fucking badass. I'm sorry, man.
You're good. You're good.
Oh, jeez. That's what I need.
How'd that second one feel?
It actually targeted the lower back a lot more this time.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Oh, yeah, that's the money shot right there.
Yeah, I know that was where you needed it. And then obviously the drive, being in that big RV and
With the little beds, yeah.
yeah.
Feet hanging off, yeah, kind of thing. It's awesome, man. It's just doing that and create that burning, tight sensation, like upper and mid back.
Not anymore.
Good. Solid.
Yeah, maybe stand up. How's everything feel?
It's good.
Good.
It's really good. Okay, that's good. Good, brother. Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.